What's up guys, it's Fam. I'm back with another YouTube video today. And today I'm going to be doing a room tour. Make sure to comment down below, subscribe, and comment what you want me to do next for my next YouTube video. So let's go. So I have this. I'm sure you saw it in the other video. It's 2-player. This is the power button. This is the volume. I'm not sure if the volume works. 2-player. You can put it up if you want to, but I don't really like to, so I just leave it that way. Next, we have my I took this trophy because I used to dance, do hip hop, I used to do tap and others like that. But I took the picture out of the trophy. I don't know why. And then I have my shades that I got from my bus driver. And they have like a lion on the side. I'll show you. Well, yeah, on the side. It's just folded. A lion right there. And then comment down below if you like the Atlanta Falcons. If you don't, it's okay. And also, if you don't, then you can just comment down below if you don't like them. It doesn't really matter, but I also like the Buffalo Bills too. I got these from the Dollar Bonanza store. The sports. It says I love Falcons. And I went to Microsoft for my Lego Robotics field trip, and I got these shades, and they are Xbox. They are Xbox shades like this. Xbox. It doesn't have. Well, they're not. And I got an Alabama hat. Bama. Backwards it says Ambab, whatever. And this is ultimate. You might have saw the color. Already. I have a Golden State Warriors hat. I got it for Christmas. And this is the one that I wanted the most. So I got it, and I was just like, oh my gosh. I got an emoji hat. Got this, an emoji hat. And I got this hat. The one, Hello Kitty. This. It's really cool. I have a mirror. Mirror. I'm not gonna show you my robes. My jewelry box. My jewelry box right here. Let me open it. So with my jewelry box, I got this. I got that, like a pink heart. Kind of hard to see this. I got this. I got a flower, and I got lots of other stuff. Just down there. I'm not gonna show you my bracelets in here and the other one, but I have I'm just watching SpongeBob. So yeah. And I have this is my bed. My bed with I have emoji pillows with it. I got this Alabama poster. I made it an emoji. I got Justice, a picture of my dog right there. That's when we first got her. She was really small. I got the Nike sign. Got a picture of my cousins. I got Girl Squad, Slumber Party, dancing, and emojis. And then this one was kind of bad, but I said Golden State basketball hoop, basketballs. And then I have, this is not last, but I have the Princess Sleeps Here. So I got the Princess Sleeps Here. The Princess Sleeps Here with the thing. So, yes. I have alright, now I'm gonna show you my my Lego sets. So I got the heart like plane. I got the airport part. I got the luggage and then the thing. I got the steps for the plane. Got the pizzeria. I got a car. I got this. This set broke. The ski set broke. I got so mad, and then me and my brother fixed some of it, and then I fixed the zip line. We have her, this person, this, it's bald. More people. And then we just have Andrea's hair. Oh yeah, we had the scooter. It's not really important. That's it for the Lego sets. Now we're gonna head over to this. Alright, so so guys, if you guys I'm not sure if there are any other like cooking camps, but I got the Apple Culinary Studios because I went to cooking camp. It was Junior Chef Summer Camp 2017 recipe book. So in the recipe book we have the lasagna. It said, I don't know if this. We have these, the muffin. I'm just gonna call them muffins. And then we have pineapple upside down cupcakes. And then we have instructions for it. We have baked zucchini chips. We have homemade orange creamsicle popsicles. Turkey and Swiss cheese pinwheels. The turkey and Swiss cheese pinwheels were the bomb. They were so good. It's just like, oh my gosh. Like if you ate them, you would. We got French toast. Oh yeah, the French toast were awesome. We have, that's it. For my birthday, I got this body wash. Well, I'm not gonna show you that. Next we have the emoji. Oh, you see that picture? I made an art. We have this, the nerdy. We have Hello Kitty. We have I'm not gonna show you my Lammy from Dr. Stuffing because that was when I was like about 4 or 5. I don't watch that anymore. I have the sleepy emoji. On my bed, I always put the sleepy emoji in the middle because they like to pee in the middle. So, with the heart. And yeah, that's. Oh yeah, the Santa hat I have. I can't pull it out. Oh. That, I don't know. It's a giraffe. And I need to stop doing that, but I have a clock with the, it's not on right now, with the Hello Kitty clock that detects that, it reflects on the wall. Like if you turn it on, it reflects on the wall when I go to sleep. My lamp. And that's about it. So make sure for you guys to comment down below and subscribe and comment what I should do next for my video. And bye.